What's up, guys? Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Now, I originally wasn't going to shoot this video, but I thought I got the 2-speed going and I just wanted to show everyone because a lot of people were saying I couldn't get the shift into second because this 4-stroke single-cylinder overhead cam motor doesn't have enough RPM. But it actually does. Revs out to I think about 13,500 RPM. But I pulled the gearbox apart and I just checked out everything and put it back together, and then voila, it works. So happy days. And also a quick hello to all the new subscribers that have subscribed because they've seen this video in their suggestion box or wherever else you've seen it and are interested in it, because our channel, we don't just do these kind of weird Frankenstein builds, but we also bash, crash, race and do all types of RCs. I'll quickly just show you. Like with the ever popular X-Max, and a few X-Maxes laying around over here. Got a lot of 1/5 scale stuff. There's a Traxxas TRX4. Conversions like, got the Rover in here, was originally gas, converting it to brushless, and all these other cars here, and heaps of other cars. Got Carbone and Luke Ray. They all got 1/5 scalers and all that kind of cool stuff as well. So we do all types of stuff here. Cheap, expensive, and we just want to have fun. We don't take the hobby too seriously. At the end of the day, they are just toys. Well, some are a little bit more expensive than others. But anyway, I'll stop blabbering on. Let's have a look and see how we went. Now, I wasn't going to do this video, but I managed to pull apart the transmission just to check that everything was intact and there was no issues with it, and everything looked okay. So basically, I took out the internal clutch, the one that shifts it from well, first to second, and just, you know, pulled the little grub screw out. There's a little spring in there with a ball, like a check ball in there. Pulled that back in and, you know, just put it all back together. And so far, it seems to work. Now, yeah, I wasn't going to do this, but I thought so much interest in this project that I wanted to show you it shifting gears. And hopefully I'll put a little camera there, see if I can actually get some onboard footage. But before I put it on the ground, I've done some more work, done some cable management there, put this little bracket there so the batteries can sit up here and won't move forward. And this roughly around about here is where I can put the body on without, you know, well, not actually intruding inside the cab, and make the body sit actually flat. But got rid of some of the white cable ties, put black ones in, and that's about it. Apart from that, I will do some more cable management, make a little bit more stock. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Like I said in the previous video, I wanted to make it look like you could semi-purchase this, and this is what it would look like. But yeah, a lot of interest in this. Some people tell me put the fuel tank back here, but I want it as close to the motor as possible. Still got to do the air filter. Some people say do a snorkel, maybe later on. Exhaust, yes, I will do an exhaust. Currently, this is stock form. It comes out the side. Here's another motor here. It comes out the side just like that. Now, don't worry, there'll be more videos coming very soon, but let's see if I can do this all one-handed. I've filled it up a little bit because I'm running actually low on petrol. Now, if you haven't seen the previous video, this is how I started. Just push this button here, get some fuel running fuel. Sweet, eh? Now, I just used a tank of gas before, but let's see how it goes. You normally can hear it with the higher revving nitro engines. You definitely can hear it a bit more distinctly, but you can hear it on this when you actually use it. Ready? Hear it, the Zen? So you just kick in the gear there. Now it's a crawler, so it's going to be geared that way, so don't expect some high speed. There it goes. Sounds pretty cool though, you can still hear it. Yeah, kicked in a little bit earlier there, and you can always fine tune it. There we go. Oh, that's top speed. There we go. So once the engine was a little bit warmed up, it kind of tunes a little bit better. Now people are saying that fan actually does work at the front, like it is functional, keeps it cool. So it's not just there for fun, it actually does keep the engine cool. Obviously that head gets pretty hot, just for able to touch it. But yeah. Now it's not front wheel drive, well it's not four wheel drive at the moment, so let's see if I can engage reverse. I engage reverse by switching this little switch. Oh, rear wheel burnout. It's in there pretty good. So let's put it back to forward. Rock it back and forward, come on. There we go, you good thing. Now you can see it actually lights up the tyres. Actually turned into second then as well. Ooh. Back and forth. No, I'll pick it up this time. But it's got a nice low idle now. It definitely does sound better as well in person. People were complaining about it sounds like a tractor. Yeah, it does a little bit, but it's a single cylinder, so yeah, it's performing really well now actually. I'm pretty happy with that. Come on, get up. These tyres are super soft as well from the factory. They're like, yeah, they're really, really soft, so it's not doing any favours. Well, let's see how much of this tank we can run through. Quite a nice transition. Definitely hear it pick up. I'm happy that I got that working out. I was a little bit worried because a lot of people are saying you need higher RPMs, and I know that's the case with obviously the normal two-strokes that rev a little bit higher, or the normal like TRX motor that goes in this, I think it is. But this still revs to 13,000, so I'm happy that it is changing. What I'll do, let me put the body on and get some more runs before the light gets out. Well, it's nearly 6 o'clock in Australia, daylight saving time, and before that fuel runs out. Okay, quick look at the body on and just went outside on the dirt. Let's see how it goes. Oh, here we go. 2-speed drift there. This is so cool. Oh, having fun, guys. Look, I'm not taking anything too seriously. This is just for fun and prove that you can do stuff if you really want to. Oh, this is the Land Rover can't drift, huh? Whoa. I'm driving one-handed too, so bear in mind, sorry about the crap driving. Oh. Yeah. This is sweet. That's awesome. I'm pretty happy with it all. Oh, this is cool. The second just kicked in. Oh, here we go. Whoa. Kicked in the second much earlier then. Who says a crawler can't be pretty fun? Awesome. Now before the fuel runs out, before the light runs out, let's take it down here. Now bear in mind it's got no brake, so I'm just going to be rolling it. No brakes. Yes! But let's try the reverse. Ah, it died. Let's put in reverse. Let's go back the other way. And it's getting... Now, problem is it's got no four-wheel drive, so it's not going to be the best crawler, but who cares? So it's always going to get stuck up and hung up. Let's give it a bit of a hand. Yeah, it's really stuck up on that rock. Okay. Looks cool though. Bit too much. Definitely needs four-wheel drive. We can do it. I'm having more fun doing these I love how it kicks when it gets into second. Oh, those doors are open. Oh, there we go. Just kicked in a bit late, that one. Hey, it's a good test for it, eh? To be honest. I definitely want to test it more on like rocks and stuff. But it's a bit hard when it's got no front wheels to help push it along. And no brake. That's sick. That looks awesome. Oh, look, the doors popped up. Let me put this camera down, I'll fix these doors up. I just started it back up again, but I really enjoy this part of the hobby. Just trying out something. If you've got an idea, just try it out and have fun. I Love how it kicks in the second. There it goes. Wheel spin happening here. Yeah. Oh, this is so much fun, guys. Well, I did position the camera around to do a couple more runs, but I think she's out of gas. Yep, definitely out of gas. I'll try to... As soon as you start moving around a little bit, sloshes around the tank, and she will give up. That wow, I'm pretty happy with it. Can I get the carb coming in there? No, I can't. Let's get it from over here. Now the engine temps have been giving it a fair bit. That is pretty hot, but nothing different than when I was running without the body. And I was doing a few, you know, good ups and down passes there. Oh wow, I'm pretty happy with it. What do you guys think? I'm trying to answer all the comments I can in the comment section down below. And if I miss your comment, I'm sorry, guys. But I'm happy with all. I'm happy for all you new guys coming and all my current subscribers. I hope you enjoy this build series, and it inspires you to just to try it out and do something else. Look, I like not to take the hobby too seriously. They are just toys, but if you can have fun and not just, you know, race or bash and just try something different, if you have an idea, put it down to paper and try it out. And in this circumstance we have so far. So if you like the video, give it a good old thumbs up. If you haven't, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. And like I said at the beginning, I wasn't actually going to film this, but I got the 2-speed working and I thought you guys would want to see it because there's so much interest in this model. Links in the description. This is a double E, 1/8 scale, Toyan single cylinder overhead cam 4-stroke motor, and a Fabble cockled all this kind of stuff into what you see here. Next video, I'll hopefully... I got the brake, the yoke I need for the brake, that's all sorted, and I also need to try to figure out the front drive shaft. Hopefully I can maybe twist the front diff to lessen the angle, but we'll see how that goes. So anyway, Steve here again, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for everyone watching, and I'm glad you like it, and I'll see you in the next video.